So south side of Parkersburg has actually had 2 tornadoes here in the past 6 days. It's unreal. With the hills out here, we rarely get them. Monday, we had a tornado touchdown in the Lubeck area, which just borders to the south of Parkersburg. That was an F0, F1 tornado. A man in his driveway actually confirmed it did touch down for a little bit. He saw it from his driveway, but he didn't get it on video, and not a lot of damage from that one. But we had heavy rains in Parkersburg, and that's the stuff you're seeing on the first part of this video. Streets were flooded, North Hills was flooded, people were on jet skis going down to the streets, the Parkersburg High School football locker room was flooded. And on Saturday, last night, we actually had another tornado touchdown in the Athens, Ohio area for about 2.5 miles. And it actually did touch down again in the Mineral Wells area, just to the south of Parkersburg. You'll see that at the end of this video, where Walmart, we had people locked in and nobody was allowed out. Well, Chaos Girl actually ran out of there looking for her son because she was scared that the tornado was going to cause heavy damage. But no real damage here from the tornado here in south part of town in Parkersburg. But we did get some rain for about 20 minutes and some wind, but nothing major happened. But you could see fantastic pictures here, and we're going to show it here in the video.
And it's moving very slowly that way, and there's a whole lot of movement. And like behind it is blue sky. The sun is peeking through, and it's
very pretty.
You can see it on the clouds, and it's beautiful. But that cloud right there that's moving,
yeah, towards us
was
definitely on the ground.
It's definitely on the ground right at the moment.
It was, at least.
Oh, don't worry, I'm not walking away. We can go get in the car and go that way.
We gonna get all the dogs in the car?
Yes, we'll get all the dogs in.
It's already past us, so that's all past us.